Hello friends, in my last video I have already discussed about the rules of subject-verb agreement. Now friends, there are some complications which we might face while doing subject-verb agreement. So let us start. So see the first sentence here, the boy at the door is my brother. So friends, the boy at the door is my brother. The boy is subject here and it is a singular subject, and according to the golden rule we use singular verb with singular subject. Now you must be thinking about this at the door. Friends, it is just a prepositional phrase which gives more information about the position of the boy. Preposition means what? Position. So it has just given the more information about the boy, nothing else. So we have to focus on the subject here, which is boy, and boy is a singular subject, and with singular subject it a singular verb is used. Next example, the car with many riders was speeding. So the car is a singular subject here. Now you might have confusion about this riders. Please do not get confused. With many riders is just a prepositional phrase which has given more information about this car, okay, and nothing else. So we have to focus on the subject, which is car, and with singular subject we use singular verb. That's it. Next is there are some clauses like who, what, which. With those verb clauses we use the singular verb. Okay. Now see here, a dog that loves the owners deserves the reward. Now you must be thinking owners here, about this owners. So owner has this s. So you might think, why not plural verb here? No, it will not be plural verb because we have to see this subject. What is the subject here? It is singular subject, and that is also here. So we have to use singular verb also. Okay. And next example, anyone who arrives late is welcome. So according to this rule, whenever who is there, we have to use singular verb. At the same time, according to this, there are some indefinite pronouns with which we use singular verb. Okay, so anyone and this who. Uh, with both of these we use singular verb, so that is why singular verb we have used here. Anyone who arrives late is welcome. Next sentence, is that sentences that starts with there is or there are, here is or here are, it should have a singular subject. Okay, like if the sentence, if the verb is singular, okay, so the subject should also be singular. There is a book on the table. Okay. Now over here the subject, the verb is singular, so the subject is also singular. Now over here the verb is plural, so the subject should also be plural. There are many books on the table. So I have completed these two sentences along with you, just to show that when to use singular subject and when to use plural subject. When the verb is singular we use singular subject, and when the verb is plural we use plural subject. Now I have also made a list of singular verb and plural verb, so that you do not get confused between what is singular verb and what is plural verb. See, is a singular verb and the plural form is are. Was is singular and the plural form is were. Has is a singular verb, have is a plural verb. Does, do, knows. See, you might think, see, s is here, so why not why this is not a singular verb, plural verb? No, it is not, it is a singular verb, and know is the plural verb. Okay. Controls is a singular verb and control is a plural verb. Whenever s is added to the verb, it is a singular form. Okay. And these are the plural verb. Goes, go. Okay. Tries is a singular form and its plural form is try. So only this much about the rules of subject verb agreement. I hope it's clear to you friends. Now based on these rules I have given some questions here. uh, so see the first question, dash anybody want a hot dog. Anybody, so with anybody we always use singular verb. Okay, so over here you have to use singular verb. Anyone who disagrees with them dash in trouble. So whenever anyone is here, is in the sentence, we use singular verb. So think and write. Each of the members, see, we have to focus on each according to the rule. I have already discussed this rule. Okay, so just think and write. Okay, the answer has or have contributed, it will be. Please think and write. In my next video already, I will be discussing the answers along with the reason. Both Nancy and Maria dash better than to act like that. This also I have told that with both we always use plural verb. The set of rules dash the game. So set, it is a collective noun. So please think and write what form of verb will be here, control or controls. Okay, so only this much for today. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe it, and I hope subject verb agreement is clear to all of you. Thank you.